In today's FX markets, I want to focus on the Australian dollar today. Pretty decent move, and we saw a volume spike, and it was one of the more actively traded contracts today when you look at volume relative to the other currencies. So the Australian dollar saw quite a reversal today. Now, we did see it spike higher to three plus month highs initially right around the spot 6930 level or 6930 level, and then the reversal came and we saw some selling pressure throughout the day, and it settled back down right around the 68.83 levels. So interesting to see the dynamics within the currency markets today as we saw the equity markets sell off and we saw the bond markets move violently. We saw the dollar under some pressure. But once again, relative to the dollar, we did see, like I mentioned, that reversal in the Australian dollar. And I think a couple factors played into the current pricing structure when you look at the Australian dollar. Number one, the data this morning, we did see some news overnight where we got basically the CPI coming out of Australia, and it was a little bit stronger than expected. So that's why, and we saw the initial spike in the Australian dollar. But then some of the other news came out throughout the day, and we saw some slowing in elsewhere, and the selling pressure on the equity markets probably played into that as well. But also, Royal Bank of Australia now indicating that they do not intend to move in the November meeting, and that would be a change in their tact as they have cut rates 3 times this year. So again, that was another factor, I think, why we saw the Australian dollar still volatile today, with both those items being priced into the market. And looking at the Australian dollar from a technical standpoint, we are seeing what appears to be actually a double bottom if you go back to the August lows. Now you're seeing basically a period of lows in August and October, but now we're seeing a breakout above the September spike. So we're seeing now the Australian dollar pushing back above that September high, pushing back up to levels that it has not really attained since the end of July. So if you look at it from a technical standpoint, there could be some more resilience for the Australian dollar moving forward, even though we saw the reversal today. The trend in place right now off of this double bottom appears to be higher.